Today we're gonna be doing a Q&A video based on hair, because when I posted the when I posted a post on Facebook, most of the comments were hair related, so why not do it hair edition since that's what I do. Before we get into the video, I'm trying to think of what's coming up next. I know for sure that I'm going to have 2 custom color videos coming up soon. It'll probably be in the next, I say 2 weeks or so, if not sooner, another video. But I know for a fact I'm doing a video on 2 colors, so stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe so you will know when I drop a new video and all of that. But other than that, let's get straight into the video. Question is, if you weren't doing hair, what would you be doing? Honestly, I do not know, because I don't like working for people, so I'd probably be doing like maybe lashes or nails. Cause I mean, I took cosmetology in high school, so I'm like certified to do nails, makeup, anything beauty related. I can do it legally, so I'd probably be doing nails or lashes. Probably lashes. I don't know. This question is a good one. It's a, what was the worst experience you ever had with a client? Okay, so I never really had a real bad experience with no clients. It was more so like an aggravating client. I had one person, she wanted like her braids in an ombre effect, but bought black and a different color instead of buying the hair already ombre. So like, she wanted the hair to go straight into the next color red without it like blending or whatever. So like, that's impossible. I mean, it's possible, but it's not gonna look how she wanted, like the picture she showed me. I'm like, that's already a hair that's already been made ombre, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I had got like 2 rows done, and then she went to the bathroom and she was like, is there any way you can do it like this? And I'm like, no, you would have to have ombre hair to do that. And she's like, okay, well, I'm gonna just take them out then. I'm like, if you gonna pay me for what I did or what? Which she did. So like I said, it wasn't nothing too serious. It was more so like, I guess she thought she was gonna get something that's not possible if you didn't bring the right thing type deal, basically. But yeah, that's not really bad. That's the only thing I can really think of that would be like my worst experience. I ain't never had no bad experience with no client. Question is, well, it's not really a question. It's more sort of like a statement. It says advice that you would give to an upcoming business besides don't give up. I would say expect the unexpected. Do not feel like somebody is going to support you just because they know you, just because they family or any of that. Because people will shock you when you are really trying to do something to better yourself or expand something in the future. It's just, people are jealous, people are haters, and some people just don't support you because they feel like you got enough support. It ain't too much support. It's always good to support somebody. No matter if they like low or if they high in life, you always good to support somebody. So expect the unexpected, because you never know. This question is pros and cons of doing hair. Okay, pros, you can make your own schedule. If you really like doing hair, it's something that you like to do, of course, so it's like you having fun and getting paid at the same time. You can like work at your own pace, work in your own space. If you like got like a salon suite, or if you got an extra room in your home, you can make it into like a hair room or whatever. That's what I do. Like, I'm thinking about getting a salon suite eventually, but right now, why not? I got a room to do it in. But yeah, that's pretty much the pros. Like, I mean, it's probably a few other things I just can't think of off the top of the head. But the cons, their list go a long way. Cons, people think that your life revolves around hair. They think everything you do is supposed to relate to hair. Like, they think you're supposed to work on your days off and not pay extra. They think you're supposed to just squeeze them in and not pay extra. Like, if I'm working after hours, just like you working overtime, you pay extra, of course. Like, that's like me working on my day off or after time. So, of course, you're going to pay extra. But people be failing to realize that. Another con, let me see, the list go on forever. Some people get hairstyles that you don't like. Like, I done did a lot of hairstyles that I don't like, and me personally, if I don't like want to wear something or don't like something, I just don't like doing it. So it's like, yeah. Like, I don't like doing the braided balls. I remember at one point I was doing a lot of them and I hated that hairstyle. Like, I would not wear it. I don't recommend it to nobody because I just don't like it. I feel like it's like too 90s. Like, I just feel like they should have left it there. But when you run a business, you got to get the people what they want, so you have to do it, basically. But yeah, I'm trying to think of another kind because there's a lot of them. I just can't think of them because I'm recording myself. If I can't think of no more off the head, I'm going to go to the next question. If I could take my business anywhere, where would I go? I definitely want to go to Atlanta or Texas because hair is big there, like really, really big, or Florida or California, but mostly Atlanta or Texas because it's still down south in my little area. Like, it's not too far from me, not too far from my hometown, so it's perfect for me. So yeah, especially Atlanta, because like Atlanta is like a really big city, like for anybody to blow up. Like, if you want to blow up, your best thing to do is to go to Atlanta and go from there. Because 9 times out of 10, if you think about it, anybody like famous for something, they usually be from Atlanta because it's a big city. It's a lot of famous people there. It's easy. It's not easy to blow up there, but it's easier to blow up there. This question is, how do I balance normal life and stylist life? I give myself 2 days off during the week. I get myself Sunday and Tuesday off. Sunday just so, I mean, it's Sunday. Nobody works on Sunday. And Tuesday is so I have a weekday to get all my doctor's appointments and anything that you can only do during the week done. So that's why I have Tuesday off. So that's how I really get everything I need to get done on my days off. But with my son, I make sure he's straight while I'm doing hair. Like, I will feed him and change him, put something on TV, and he'll sit and watch it. Like, he a pretty good baby for now, so he don't put too much on me when it comes to hair. But if he does, I just call like my mama or somebody I trust to watch him, because I'm not doing no daycare. Like, I just can't put him in no daycare. I feel like it's too soon, and I just don't trust people with my son like that. So yeah, so he be here with me when I'm doing hair, but he don't really affect it. It's like the same thing, because yeah. But I still don't do too many people a day now. Like, I thought I was gonna pick it back up, but I don't like to spend too much time away from him because I feel like I'm not showing him enough attention. So like, I do like maybe 2 or 3 people a day. 2 or 3 people a day, but I usually used to do maybe 4 or 5 before I got pregnant or whatever. So I've tried to cut it down a little bit for him to give him more time and attention, because I don't want to feel like I'm abandoning him. So that's how I balance my mommy hairstylist life. Question is, what inspired you to start doing hair? I always been a creative child. Yeah, I always been creative. Like, when I was in school, I used to draw all kind of stuff. Like, I was really good at drawing when I was younger, so I was always good at like arts and creating something of my own. So like, when I started doing hair, I don't know, it just clicked on me quick. So like, I used to like doing anything beauty related. So I guess you can say myself, I guess. Like, I just always been like that child that was just into things like that. And then I took cosmetology in high school with my friend, and she don't even do hair no more. But I mean, she does hair, but she's in the Air Force. Like, she does it on the side. But I do it for a living. Like, I don't work nowhere. This is what I do for a living. But yeah, I guess I inspired myself. So that was my last question for my mini Q&A. I know I look different. I just took my lashes off, and I didn't like the last video that I made, so I came back in the room and I made an ending again. So don't judge me. But yeah, I'm going to have some more videos uploaded soon. I'm going to have some more tutorials. Probably something else like this, but a different subject. I don't know, y'all. I'm new to YouTube, so I don't know. But I'm going to have some coming soon. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.